Good morning, dear students. In our previous class, previous class of GK, we have completed till 11th chapter. Okay, the last chapter which was discussed by us, that is the rainbow. Okay, now today we are going to start with the 12th chapter. Okay, again we are going to study next 4 chapter. Okay, so the 12th chapter is the United Nations, the hope and conscience of the world. Clear? It's related with the this chapter is given and it's related with the United Nations. Okay, so in this there is a MCQs is given where the United Nation was the established. Okay, who is the secretary, general secretary of United Nation, and the picture is also given. Clear? So that multiple choice questions you will have to do, okay, by searching on the Google either, and try to find out the information with yourself only. If you will find it out with yourself, then you will come to know the new things. Okay, so this chapter you will have to write down in your notebook also and prepare it well. Okay, now the 13th number chapter is the computer quiz. Now you already studied the computer subject. Okay, in your I hope you all must have seen the videos of computer. Okay, you know the parts of computer, what are the hardwares, what are the softwares. Okay, all the things you know, and storage devices, what is the storage devices. Okay, then storage devices वो कितने measurement में होते हैं, किलोबाइट में होते हैं, then GB में होता है, gigabyte that we called. Okay, the storage devices are the such devices that we can easily store our large amount of data, okay, in a small chip. Okay, for example, SD card. You all have seen the SD card that is already inserted in your phone. Okay, then pen drive, CD, these are called as the storage devices. Okay, and through that you can store the more information for a longer period of time. Clear? Now there are certain browsers through which you can search the any information. Okay, search engine किसको बोलते हैं? That is the Google. Okay, सर्च इंजन जो है गूगल है, जावा है, ओपेरा मिनी है, याहो है. दिस आर द सर्च इंजिन्स. ओके, फ्रॉम विच यू कैन फाइंड इट आउट द एम्पल ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन दैट यू वांट. Clear? Now after that in our ancient time, the first we have the computer like box. Okay, आप लोगों के घर में भी बॉक्स के जैसा कंप्यूटर होगा. नाउ सर्टेन विद द मॉडिफिकेशन एंड ड्यू टू द एडवांसमेंट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी वी हैव कंप्यूटर लाइक LED TV, right? And for the more flexibility we have the computer that we can easily carry at various places. हम जहाँ भी जाएं हम कंप्यूटर को साथ में ले जा सकते हैं. That is the laptop, palm top. Okay, palm top is such kind of computer that you can carry and it is the small hand size only. Okay, आपके हाथ के जितना ही उसकी साइज होती है palm top की. That is called palm top. Okay, then CPU, this certain parts of the computer you know. Okay, what are the main parts of the computer? CPU, monitor, mouse, keyboard. Clear? So then hardware and software. Hardware, it means what? The devices you can touch easily. That is called the hardware. For example, monitor, keyboard. Okay, mouse. These are the hardware that you can easily touch. But what is the software? There's the software that you cannot touch. Okay, because it is the inside the computer. Clear? So it is the computer quiz. I am sure you all can do it very well. I have already given you the basic information which is required to solve this computer quiz, which is given in your GK textbook. Okay, now the 14th number chapter is a famous proverb. हम बहुत सारी कहावतें सुनते हैं, right? For example, try and try you will get success. Okay, this certain kind of proverb जो कहवतें हैं हम उसे बहुत सारे कुछ हमें सीखने को मिलता है, इवन हमें मोटिवेशन भी मिलता है. सो यू हैव टू मैच द प्रोवर्ब. यहाँ पे आदि फर्स्ट ए कॉलम में दी है, दूसरी बी कॉलम. सो यू हैव टू मैच ए विद दी बी. ओके, नाउ द प्रोवर्ब, let me tell you the exactly meaning of the proverb. The nothing define a culture more than its language. right? हमारा जो कल्चर है, हम जो एक इंडियन कल्चर में, हमारे इंडियन कल्चर में बहुत सारे कल्चर्स हैं, and because as we are living in the diverse country in which we have varieties of religion, caste people. Okay, so according to that we have the more and more languages. एंड आवर कल्चर डिफाइंस व्हाट? लैंग्वेजेस. हमारा जो कल्चर है वो लैंग्वेजेस के ऊपर से डिफाइन होता है. एंड द एलिमेंट ऑफ द लैंग्वेज दैट द बेस्ट एनकैप्सुलेट्स अ सोसाइटीज वैल्यू एंड बिलीफ इट्स प्रोवर्ब. जो ये लैंग्वेज है वो सोसाइटी की वैल्यू को एनरिच करता है, बढ़ाता है. क्लियर? सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द प्रोवर्ब. गुजराती में भी बहुत सारी कहवतें हैं, हिंदी में भी है ना कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन रिमेंबर द लॉट्स ऑफ हिंदी प्रोवर्ब. ओके, गुजराती में भी है. क्लियर? सो दैट यू विल हैव टू मैच विद ए विद द बी. Now the 15th number chapter is the book club. Okay, in this chapter there are 10 author is given. Clear? And the author has written the book. You have to write down the name of the book and you have to complete the word. You can take the help of Google that this author has written this book. Clear? And this book club helps to expand your knowledge that this type of कि ये नाम के भी ऑथर हमारे देश में है, आइदर हमारे वर्ल्ड में भी है. So this is all about till 15th chapter. And the 16th number chapter is Commonwealth Games in 2018. Now 16th number chapter has the describe about the India won 66 medals at the 2018 Commonwealth Games, winning 26 gold medal and 20 silver and 20 bronze medals. India ranked at number 3 at the games. Match the medal winner with their sports mentioned in the club. Here the various sports person name is given, and ये जो भी स्पोर्ट पर्सन है उन्होंने कौन से गेम्स में मेडल्स जीते हैं उनके साथ आपको मैच करना है. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट द कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स. इंडिया ने 66 मेडल्स जीते थे 2018 में जो कॉमनवेल्थ गेम होता है उसमें, और उसमें जो 26 है वो गोल्ड मेडल, 20 सिल्वर एंड 20 ब्रोंज मेडल जीते थे. सो यहाँ पे एथलेटिक्स, आइदर यू कैन से द स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन नेम इज गिवन, और उसके सामने जो है वो गेम्स का नाम दिया है. यू हैव टू मैच विद द स्पोर्ट पर्सन. क्लियर? So what we have today discussed is from chapter 12 to 16 that you will have to do it, and you will have to write down in your notebook and be prepared for the exams. Clear? So we will meet in our next class. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. God bless you all.